I'm Katie with WTI, and if you are looking for a nice island mount oven range hood, then you found the right video. We installed this JOEAONZ island mount oven hood about 2 months ago when we started remodeling our kitchen, and we are in love with it. I love the sleek black look with the tempered glass, the nice modern LED lights, and it is so easy to keep clean and to use. One of the benefits of this hood is that you can choose to convert it to duct or ductless. We had it be recirculating in our house. It also comes with two sections. Now we just used the one since we have kind of your average height ceilings. We didn't need anything for a vaulted ceiling, but it does have a second tube in case you need that. Our contractors did install this while I was out of the house, but basically there are some metal brackets that you put on the ceiling and then you screw the vent to that. It looks very natural in this space. It does not steal away from the look of the kitchen. It's very balanced with the size of the stove, and it's definitely a kitchen remodel decision that I don't regret. And that's my point of view.